This is $100,000, and these two guys will be competing for it. The challenge is simple. They have to earn $1,000 in a week just by using their laptop. They can use any method unless it's not illegal. Whoever completes this challenge gets the $100,000, so the challenge has officially started. Good luck.
Bro, I'm an expert trader. I can do this in a day.
I know all the ways to make money online. Only I will take that 100 grand.
Looks like they have started competing. Let's see who takes my life savings. So day one has officially started, and both the players are starting from zero, and they are taking completely different paths.
I'm gonna buy some cheap and interesting products and sell them high. My goal is to make at least $200 by the end of the day.
I'm gonna go with video editing service. I've already done this, so it will be easy for me.
These guys look super confident now, but they don't know that this will be the biggest mistake of their life. So 6 hours have passed since the challenge started, so let's go and see what they are doing. What's up, guys? So what's the progress?
Bro, my ad is blowing up right now. I'm about to make thousands.
You're about to, and I've already made $80 profit. I'm far ahead of you, slow-ass noob.
How dare you say that? I'ma come to your home and spank your mum.
Who's even saying, a black-ass monkey?
Hey, shut your damn mouth. If you don't, I will touch you.
Go cry to your mom, lil black boy.
Okay, guys, chill out. Go back to your work again. So as we can see, they're getting along really well, and they're making progress too. Jake has already made $18 by editing 2 videos, and he will be doing it throughout the challenge. And Alex seems stuck now. He has already spent some money on the ads, but still no sales. Anyways, let's see what happens. All right, so it's officially day 2 of the challenge, and today I have a big surprise for both of them. Hey guys, what's up? So today I have a big bang for you.
Oh yeah, I want to bang now.
Don't forget about me.
Guys, chill out. I'm talking about a surprise.
Is it a girl stuck in washing machine?
Shut the hell up, otherwise I will send your address to Diddy.
Oh, he is my celebrity crush.
So let's keep all that aside and talk about the real surprise. So Alex, I have 2 options for you. Either use the same method Jake is using or start from $0.
I'll rather do I'll go with the same method as Jake.
Haha, I will be using day trading from today. You need years of experience for this. You're surely losing the challenge.
Jake doesn't know that Alex is a trading expert.
Okay, let's see.
So both the guys have started day trading, and I already know who's going to win this one. And believe me, the results are very shocking. But before that, I have a question for you guys. If you have a high IQ, then tell me, how to make a person say yes to your offer every time? The correct answer will get $1,000 as the prize money. So now several hours have passed. Let's go and check how well they are doing. So what's the progress, guys?
Bro, I have already made $43 profit. Do you even think he's around me?
What about you, Alex?
$74.
Only $74 trade?
$74 profit.
Hell no, it's impossible.
Well done, Alex. So now you are in the lead.
What?
Now everyone tell me your total earnings.
$78.
$134.
What?
So guys, as we can see, we should never underestimate a monkey. So now Alex is in lead. They are both working hard and are confident and motivated, but all this excitement won't last long. So it's officially day 3 of the challenge. So let's go and check what both of them are doing. Hey guys, how are you both? And what about your progress?
Hey, Ace. Listen, I think I won't be able to continue this challenge.
What? Is it because Alex made more money than you yesterday?
No, not at all. At the beginning of this challenge, I thought it would be very easy. But now, I realized that it's not. It's giving me so much stress lately.
What about you, Alex?
I don't want to quit, but I don't want to do it at the same time. I'm just too demotivated.
Guys, don't let the results demotivate you. I know you both are dumb and you have low IQ, but still, you guys have the most potential. Remember, great things take time.
Thanks for the cheap motivation, but I don't want to continue this.
Want the $100,000?
Yes.
Okay, so get back to work now.
Okay, Daddy.
So guys, as you all can see, they were demotivated and about to quit, but I used my secret motivating strategy and they instantly got motivated and went to work again. So it's almost 12 p.m. now, and I have checked the earnings of both players. Alex has made $347.69, while Jake is stuck at $231.95. So now it's the end of day 3 and everything is fine till now. They both are making money, learning, and enjoying. But tomorrow, something's gonna happen, and it will change this challenge forever. Welcome to the day 4 of this challenge. It's 7 a.m. in the morning, so let's go and check what they both are doing.
Hey guys, so have you started the work yet?
Yeah, I've already started. Currently, I'm doing day trading and I'm on a profit of $34 already.
What? Seriously? You've made $34 within 1 hour? Bro, that's incredible. I'm sure that you will easily beat him today. And what about you, Alex? Alex? So guys, Alex said he's a little busy now. I wonder what work he's doing. But the best thing is, Jake made $34 within an hour of buying a trade, and now he's buying more trades and trying to make more profit. I think Jake is going to win this. What do you think? Drop a comment below, and I'll pick anyone for my next challenge video. So Alex, why you called us? Do you want to ask something?
Bro, I just checked my stocks, and I saw 2 of my stocks got skyrocket. I just made $347 by trading today. Tomorrow, I'm going to sell them.
Wait, did you just say $347? What about you, Jake? Jake? So guys, as we can clearly see, Alex is still in the lead. So the total earning of Jake is around $400, and Alex has made over $680. So we can say that Alex is not far away from winning. But then on day 5, this happened. Welcome to the day 5 of this challenge. It's 10 a.m., so I should check what they are doing. What's up, guys? So is there any progress?
Bro, help me. My stocks crashed completely. I'm in a loss of $234. What should I do?
That's great. Now I will easily defeat you.
That's your fault only, Alex. You were not focusing on your work. You were just enjoying. Now you have to get over this by yourself.
Okay.
So now the game has completely changed. If Alex couldn't make all that money he lost by today, Jake will win. So guys, it's already 11 p.m., but they both are busy right now, and they are not answering my calls, so I'll ask them tomorrow about the results. Good night. So guys, it's the last day to earn money because tomorrow's the result day. So let's go and see their progress. Hey guys, what's up? So who's gonna win this challenge?
Me? Did you even recover the loss of yesterday? Only I will win, so go and pray to God.
Oh, shut up. It's already decided. I'm doing trading and selling Instagram pages for hundreds of dollars.
You just need to make OnlyFans.
That's a great idea.
Okay guys, so now both of you tell me your total earnings.
$672. It's constantly increasing too.
Mine is $755, and I'm also doing drop shipping and selling some trending brain rot products.
Okay, so guys, I'll meet you tomorrow and just hand over the $100,000 to the winner. So there's not much time left for my money to be given out, and I'm doing all this just for you guys to enjoy and learn something. But as the time was passing, I thought, the winner will be happy, but the loser will be sad and depressed. His mind would be full of regrets. They both worked hard, and they both deserve to be the winner. But both can't be the winner. But I had an idea which could make both of them feel victory. So the time has come. After all these days of hard work and patience, the result is here.
I was waiting for this moment.
Me too.
So the winner of this challenge is, both of you.
What?
You both have crossed $1,000, so it won't be fair to make only one winner. So I'm gonna give $50K to both of you.
Oh, hell no! Give both of us $100K.
He's right. Give me $100K.
Guess it's time to run.
Hey, Jake, let's go and spank him.
Yes, let's go.
Subscribe to save me.